Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a week in the life of a second-year medical student just before my final exams back in June. Just to mention, I don't usually study anywhere near as much as you'll see in this video, but I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see similar content in the future. Thanks for watching. I really enjoy my commute to university, and I try not to study during that time and just focus on taking in the scenery. This is my outfit for the day. I firstly headed down to the quiet room to pray. I've always found that I focus better on my studies when I've had some time to reconnect in the morning. After grabbing a mandatory cup of hot chocolate, I head upstairs to start studying. Since this is only a few days before the exam, I'm taking some time to just go over the whole course and focus on aspects that I find difficult, such as anatomy. As I'm going over the course, I'm using some blank paper to write out key points that I'm struggling to remember, and as you can see, that's quite a lot of points. I then headed home at around 8 p.m. I had an early start the next morning as well, and after taking some time to listen to a calming recitation and have some breakfast, I decided to do my studying on a whiteboard. Here I was making a to-do list for the day and writing out the different topics that I had to cover, and then I started going over some anatomy and physiology. It's always disappointing to have to rub your work off, but I did take lots of pictures. At around 12 o'clock I had some lunch, and then I went on to doing some revision on my iPad. These are summary diagrams that I've been making throughout the year that I've collated into one document to make it easier to revise. I was really quite tired at this point, so I decided to head home and just did a couple more flashcards on the train. As the exam date approaches, my caffeine consumption increases quite dramatically, but I think it's justified. I feel I'm definitely a visual learner, so it helps to make diagrams and tables. Once I had had enough for the day, I rubbed off all of my notes from the whiteboard and the notes that my friend and I had made on the wall. After a couple more cups of coffee, I realised I wasn't getting much more productive work done, so I decided to pack up and go home. My exams this year consisted of 3 sections, the first of which we did several months ago, and today was paper 2. After a difficult exam, I took some time to rest and just have some lunch, and then I moved on to doing some light revision for the day in the form of flashcards. Since I was feeling rather stressed about the exam, I didn't manage to do a huge amount of work. I spent most of the day trying to memorize smaller facts and figures. I then headed home at around 4 o'clock so that I was well rested for the next day. I was feeling really quite excited for my final exam as I was looking forward to enjoying the summer. After some last-minute revision, we then had our exam, which was quite difficult, but I was glad to have it out of the way. And that was a week in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next